So today in this video I'm going to apply this tempered glass in this Motorola G37 power. So this is a very good power device. I mean 7000 mAh power device. Let's this is a wet cloth. Let me apply first. Wait a second. So also I will make sure it is a H2H protection, also case friendly design of this tempered glass. Hope so. What the hell? Wait a second. Okay, you can see this wet cloth, it will remove all dirt from this. Wait a second, I think I need to switch off this device first. Or so okay, this is the original tempered glass, and original I mean this is a good quality tempered glass. Hope it is precise touch sensitivity. Yeah, also anti-fingerprint hydrophobic layer. Hope so. Oh, there's some net notification, please ignore that. I'm not professional in this field, so I'm not able to control all these mistakes, so please, so sorry for that. You can see this is so cool. This is a okay, this is a dust absorber. You can use it, like for example it will remove dust. Let me use it. I'm not sure how to use it properly, but I see, you can see this some dust particle. It will capture these all sticky layer, will capture these little, you can see little, you can't see, I think camera quality is not that good, but you can see there is a little dust particle. It will capture it, sticky layer, it capture it. So you can see all these are clean. Okay, everything is perfect, I think. But I think this device is so good looking, but I don't like this camera. Camera is like a very cheap phone. I think the camera is like a 2017-18 phone. This is crazy bad, but I love the design. Also punch hole displays, I think premium. Also there's some dust particle, I will remove it. Okay, so I have this there's nothing here, I think. Okay, so my tempered glass is I think crystal clear, also very good transparency, not that black like. Okay, let's there's some dust particle. I need to remove these. It's taking time, but I know this is very patience proof but I don't remember the name. Yeah, you need patience for this, because these, if you left behind any dust particle, you will see that after the applying tempered glass they will appear and they will create a bubble which will never goes off. So this is I'm trying my best, but there's a little bit dust coming from outside window. I don't know how to do it, how to make a proper studio like it will not capture a single dust particle, but I don't know, I'm not professional in this field. But you can see I'm doing my best, and also I'm not making any cut in this video. So this is a pure raw video, but there is a voiceover because I can't focus on simultaneously. I can't talk and work in both way. There's some dust particles, they are still here. What should I do now? So this Motorola G37 power comes with the side mounted fingerprint. So fingerprint unlock compatibility is not the issue here. Also I will check the precise touch sensitivity, also transparency. Also I think I'm gonna use some good technique to apply it. I need a bubble pre-installation, bro. Also, this case friendly design also. Let me apply it properly. Ooh. You need some patience for that. This sorry. Don't mind my, there is a dust particle. Ooh, don't show my face, bro. Okay. Oh, perfect, almost perfect. Please don't. Okay, almost perfect. So you can see. Oh wow. You can see there's you can see this this also absorbing some there is no bubble in here. So you can also remove this tempered glass. Oh, don't. You can also remove first time, if after applying you can remove the glass and match it correctly with your screen orientation. So only one time, after that it will stick, and if you try to break it or remove it, it will break. So I think there is a more gap in chin, so I might need to remove it. I think I'm gonna remove it after this video, because this video is so long. I don't know how people react this irregularity. Okay, you can see there's a chin not perfect fit. I need to remove and apply it properly. I will do after this video because this video is so long. Please, so sorry for that. Thank you for watching, and please give suggestion. Also subscribe.